Kingston Football Academy dropped points for the second time this season as they were held to a 2-2 draw by Ballers Academy in their return leg fixture in the KFC Under-18 Elite Cup at the Royal Lakes Field on Saturday. Daniel Thomas gave Ballers Academy the lead in the 5th minute, an advantage they held going into the halftime break. However, KFA struck back shortly after the resumption through Zahir Hay in the 43rd minute. Cavaria White then sent KFA in front in the 49th minute, but Kyle Hussey ensured Ballers would get a share of the points as he netted the equalizer to make it 2-2 in the 60th. Meanwhile, last year's beaten finalist Harborview FC capitalized on KFA's missed opportunity to move into second in the table after blanking Montego Bay United 3-0 in the second game at the venue. In the feature encounter, defending champions Mount Pleasant Academy dropped points for the first time this season after ending goalless with Portmore United.